Hi, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, everyone. I'm trying to take a holistic view at market to see if there could be any opportunity to get one or two pips. Besides that, I don't have any other interest because today is NFP, so I don't have much expectations since the move is done already. I actually intended to trade this, but my alarm couldn't wake me up. So unfortunately, I'm not in a hurry anyway. So I'm not sure what market is actually trying to do here. I'm not sure. Let me have very smart look, very smart and historic look at this level. Okay, I think there is opportunity here. I see a good opportunity right here. Let me just see. Okay, so whatever this thing right here is playing, whatever game is trying to play, I'm just gonna, map out certain important levels and then, of course, take some call when I see something substantial happen. So let's just see if we are able to secure a closure above this level because gold is actually moving too fast. If I say, okay, this is gonna happen, no, this is some sort of mini trend right here, but I'm not gonna be sure about that, right? So I'll be like, sure for everything I wanna do here. Yeah. So let's see. If I have a look at this, it's already at the final area where I expect it to be. If it exits here, I'm just gonna wait until I secure closure above here before price continues to move up. Otherwise, if I see any opportunity below, sorry, then I'm gonna just grab it. Okay, I think I have a plan now for good. There's pretty much a very decent plan for good. So this level I would call the problem area. Okay, oh good. See guys, it's playing out. It's playing out, but I need this to at least say close below. If it closes below, then I can, take out some positions right there. I mean, don't, make the entire move in 1 minute, please. I don't want it to make the entire move in 1 minute. So, I gotta wait a little bit to see what it's actually doing. So just give it a little bit of time. This area is the resistance area, right? So price is already there. Let's see the way it reacts. Then okay, it's gonna close below here. This our supposedly POV, yeah. Here without week, man. I'm not so happy about this. Closer without week and then some sort of support here. It doesn't make sense. So I'm gonna wait for to see if I can see some sort of retracement around there, around here. Retracement back to this zone, and then closure below there. I can take out something. If I don't see that happening, then just gonna stay out of gold because I don't think I can deal with it. Okay, I like what I see here. I obviously like what I see here. So let me see. Let me take a very risky trade here. I'm not opening here. This is a sell. This is the break. The break of above here is going to be my entry, and my stop loss is going to be below this current candle. I don't want to risk take some crazy risk today. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Just don't So the break above here, I would have loved to get to some sort of secure and a closure above first before I see this thing is crazy, right? It could just go above, and continue going up, at a stretch. So let's be some sort of, oh, I like what I see here, guys. Let's be prepared to take some level of risk. So I don't know, is this risky or not? I'm not sure. Yes, I like what I see now. So the break of this low definitely is gonna give me a very nice yeah. The break of this low is gonna give me a very fantastic sell. So I'm gonna change my point of interest a bit because I see something new forming here. Yeah. So my point of interest is gonna realign to this one 995.91, and I feel this may not come below. I just fear may not come oh, nice, beautiful, triggered, beautiful, fantastic. Entry is triggered already. Yeah, let me make sure it's triggered. Yeah, in reality. One moment, guys. While I stream, I want to make some money and my entry is not triggered. Holy, it's not triggered. What this guy actually did here was to trap some people here, but if this crosses below here, then I'm gonna have a hell of a hope right there. Beautiful, beautiful. Let me open this manually. I don't want to waste anymore with anymore. Yes, beautiful. Pretty much looking good, 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 good. All right. So let me have this right here. Have this right here. This TP is gonna be dependent on what happens around this zone. If this crosses this, if price crosses 190.97.68, you better get out because it's not waiting for you. If price crosses above 990, oh, done. I can actually hold on. Let me hold on a little bit to see what's happening. I'm gonna hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit because this candle here does not have a wick, so perhaps it means it could actually, turn around and keep going down. I gotta hold on. Yeah, nothing. Oh my God! See why I didn't enter any position here, right? I was actually waiting for closure or a break of this high. No, price tested above this area, broke this particular candle, and still closed below. So you gotta be careful with such moves, right? Let me have a look at 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes is pretty much bullish. 1 hour is bullish. 4 hours is bullish. Okay, I don't think we're making any mistake right here. We're not making any, like unnecessary mistakes right here, right? Just need this to be triggered, and that's all we are here for, right? I don't honestly, I don't, I want to be in a hurry for to take any trades today. Honestly, if you ask me, I would prefer to, just look at market today to see how it's behaving and laugh away my time, smile away my time. Well, I got bills to pay, right? I got to take something anyway. Okay, just hang on in there to see what this thing is doing. You don't want to take any unnecessary. Oh, beautiful! Something is happening somewhere. Something is happening somewhere. Nice. I like what I see. Let me just do something here. Sorry if you don't mind. All right. Okay. So at this point, I would say it makes sense to move stop loss to somewhere above 19823 here, because that's the only way to go right now. It's the only thing I see that is safe. Don't want to lose some hell of money today. That is Friday, so just be smart about it. 15 minutes, yeah, 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 makes sense. I like what I see. I have a feeling actually that this is just gonna push all the way down up to 1974.82. But of course, there's no evidence. It's just a feeling, right? Doesn't mean it's gonna happen. I just have a feeling, but doesn't mean my feeling is right. So I have to stick to the plan. 1 minute time frame is the worst time frame you will ever trade. If you trade it this shit when price is moving, when there is no volume, you're gonna you're not gonna enjoy it. Basically, you're not gonna enjoy it. I wanted to have a look at Euro JPY. That's sorry, yeah, EJ. I wanted to have a look at EJ, but I'm not convinced to do anything there since the price is dragging, literally just dragging here and there. So I actually prefer to focus more on. But I just see nice setup here in 30 minutes EJ, 30 minutes EJ, but because of slight, very not really slight, but very low, slow price movement, I became uninterested, or it became not enticing to me, I would say. So I think price actually, guys, is reversing. Or just either you keep your stop loss above and take the risk, or you be like me, leave it here and minimize the risk. It's fine. I just wanna see that price is actually gonna break above. If it breaks above here, it's beautiful. It's fine, no issues. I want it. I wanna see it break above. Either break above. If it breaks above this line, this trend line, I wanna see it come back to this same line before I can buy. Come back to this same line, then form some sort of reversal before I can buy. Or if it breaks above here and never came back, then breaks above this level, breaks above 2000.94, then I want to see it, come back again to retest that 2000.94 before and form a reversal sort of reversal sign before I buy in. So whichever way, I'm just waiting to see what it wants to do. For me, I'm not going to risk more than that. I've seen the market conditions and I've reduced my risk. There's no need, no bloody risk to need to, increase my risk again. It doesn't make any sense to me, right? Since I've seen like what price is trying to do there. If it breaks that high, it's just going somewhere but that we don't know and we don't want to know. See, gold has been zapping me for the past couple of days. This trade was fine because my TP1 was this level, TP2 we couldn't hit, and the rest of the position we went to SL. And this one, let me not talk much. And this happened. It just got me off guard. My stop loss got hit and violates the price sticking to my TP anyway. But it's fine. I don't have any issues or call out since I'm following that process. I just have a process that I need to follow. So guys, I have a feeling, good, very good feeling that price will come down. But I don't know when, I don't know how. Why do I have a good feeling? See? Can you see this pin bar, and it's down, yeah? The same pin bar, price is coming down. So let's hope that something fantastic happens. Excuse me, guys. Let me take this call. Okay, sorry, I had to take that call. It's actually a very important call. So, what I don't understand is why this pumpkin trade is not moving in our direction. This Halloween trade, and I'm not sure why it's not moving in my direction, but it should move in my direction because it's evident, right? See, it's following a pattern. See, it has a pattern, so I'm not sure why it's going back and forth. This pretty much pretty much a trade you don't want to miss. You don't want to joke with, because after seeing all these things, let me like before time forecast where not forecast show where I expect price to actually end up. So since this price came all the way up, oh, so sorry guys, I think I'm facing this fibo in the wrong direction. So this is my fibo. My entry happens to be the one I call sniper. So in snipe my this with this my sniper entry, if I take another if I take Fibonacci extension to so I'm expecting price to come all the way. First of all, this should have been the first TP, but I don't want to risk it. My first TP is going to be above here, above 1989.71. Yeah, it's going to be somewhere slightly before price hits here. I'm going to TP, and then second tip is going to be at this line here. Then if you want to leave your trade, just note it. Price is going to subsequently come to this level and this level. It may even exceed, like I told you guys before. It looks like price is coming to 1974 coordinates 995.91 area. It's a very significant area that you don't want to play with. It's a very significant area. 1 minute. So comes with a lot of things I don't like. It's not stable. It's crazy. It's pathetic. Call it any name. We are free. All right. So look at what we have here. Look at what we have here. Look at what we have here. Don't forget, I didn't set any position here. I'm expecting a closure. Rather, what I got is a liquidation. Young man like me is, expecting a closure above, yeah. Since this candle never broke itself, so it should have been should have been like a situation whereby we're gonna expect a closure. Yeah. So let's see. I love what I see here, by the way, but then it shouldn't deter me from expecting a closure below here. Only if I see a closure below here, that's when I can take this trade. So you can see how important this point is. See, 34,000, 15 dots, 47. This is a very important point. See, all candles that crossed this area actually ended up closing below. So it's needless to waste your time with this shitty thing, right? You just have to wait for either closure outside here or closure outside here. You just gotta take the right call at all times. I'm not satisfied with this. It's not a criteria for my entry. Had it been, I have a candle as tall as this right here, as this last candle, or maybe as maybe this candle here, had it been easier, then this is a signal for sell for me. But right now, with this candle here and with this support here, I don't trust anything anything sell above here. I want to take sell only from below here. If any candle closes in this zone where all these candles couldn't close, then I'll be confident to take trade going downwards. So what I told you guys. This is a very important area. Very important area. 1995.91. Price one more time came back to retest this area. Guess what? The moment price breaks below here, below 1992.56, I think there's going to be showers of blessings. You know what I mean? That is this candle. If price breaks below here, you can feel free to add one more position going downwards. You can feel free. I'm not adding. Those things don't favor me. I don't know why. If I add positions, damn, I'm going to lose that money. I just take my initial trade and let it, sluggishly drag itself to, or I can as well, close it if I'm not comfortable with it. So okay, what's it gonna be, man? These things are too slow. Guys, if I had come here before NFP, this trade would have been pretty much simple, honestly. If I had come here before NFP, believe me, this trade would have been super, super simple for me. Let me look at 10 minutes. Excuse me. 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour would have done it all, honestly. See, I'm just gonna set a trade above here, set a buy stop above here, take profit at this level 125 down, easy peasy. Don't need to distract yourself for nothing. And then I left it, and I'm not sure why. I'm not quite sure why I left the chart, and anyway, I love my rest a lot. He who sleeps to get some energy lives to trade and profit another day. Write that down somewhere. You have your pen? Do I repeat? I'm not even sure I can actually make that exact statement. Came out of inspiration, came out of nowhere, sitting under the box. All right. See what's happening here. Price again is going down to that same point, up, strolling up, taking a stroll to that same point and closed, kissed the point and came down one more time. So what does this tell you? What does this tell me? It tells me that anything that closes somewhere here, closes above here, where these lines, where these candles couldn't close, something that closes above here, it's a buy. So just get out. But right now we are still okay because why? All the candles are still closing, within this range, still closing within this range and all. So it's forming some sort of downwards pattern. Man, we are just looking for 90 pips, 91 pips, This, and you can just drag your crazy feet down to the TP and let us breathe. Let us end the stream, okay? Show us some level of love, then we're gonna end the stream. Let's look at 5 minutes. 5 minutes is also not. Oh my god, I don't like what I see. Honestly, I don't like what I see. The previous 5 minutes candle melted. Had it been a close a little bit bearish, maybe it been it closed like a model candle. You know what I mean? With small wick. a small wick up. I would have been happier, I would have been happier to have it close, but it closed this time with very long wick. So, which means buyers still have a lot of strong feet. They're still beating their chest. Oh no, I want to buy. I want this price to go up. Oh yeah. And sellers are saying, my friend, go take some tea somewhere in a very, very poor and healthy cafeteria. And buyers are saying, oh no, sellers, go have some garbage food somewhere in Manhattan. I'm not sure if this happens to you guys as well, but whenever this candle turns blue, I feel sad. And whenever it turns red, I feel happy. I'm not sure if it happens to you guys as well. Whenever this thing turns blue, I feel so sad. And this, honestly, buying buying is not an option here. I see a pattern. I see a pattern forming here. Pattern that, first of all, I have this strong resistance right here. Strong resistance that didn't allow these candles to close with body. They closed all below here. This tried to go up and came down. This tried to go up and still closed below. This dragged all the way down. This couldn't close above, rather it closed below here, and this couldn't close above, it closed bearish. And this now is trying to test this same area. See, there is a gang of market controllers, waiting for the price around here to knock it down, to hit it down, to hammer it down all the way down. So let's see what's going to happen, see how this plays out. In 4 hours, I see a struggling price that is finding it quite difficult to break this, to break above. It breaks but keeps coming down, right? So it's this 34030 34037.20. It's pretty much a very strong area, I would say. So sales may have it. I'm not calling any shot here. Yeah, I just need to see a closure behind, below, outside, or inside my line. And all I see, guess what I see? All I see right now is sales. All I see right now is sales. But in order to confirm these sales, I need 30 minutes closure. Honestly, I need 30 minutes closure below here. 30 minutes closure below here. It's gonna confirm a set that's gonna sweep down to correct this move. Yep. Honestly, nothing is happening. Oh, beautiful. I love this. This setup? Let me open my setup Bible. Let me show you guys a lot of this setup. I'm not in a hurry. If you want to take the trade, you can take sell. It's entirely up to you. For me, I'm not in stupid hurry or something. Journal. Talking about my journal. Yep. I have a couple of set. Oh, see why? See why I'm so happy? Someone should know that I'm so happy right now. Let me not talk. Let me not say anything. You know what I mean? And I quickly switched to my bedroom voice. Quite very simple to understand why. All right, so this is my set of Bible. See that trace I've taken. This is is it from November? November last year? Or I've forgotten when I created this. So See, I just want to show you this specific setup here, where I have all this noise, all this noise, and then suddenly the candle is here, right? Something like this. Let me look for where I have exactly something like this. Then the subsequent candles messed up and did what they shouldn't have done. See, and this. Oh no, don't make me begin to fail you. I don't want to fail you. Why? Let's keep quiet for a while to see what price is actually doing here. Gold is already an established fact. So this trade we're in, there's nothing we can do about this trade right now. So let's focus on getting another one. While we look at this to see, like I pay attention. By the way, I look at the price, the move. Okay, I look at percentage change. That tells me what price is actually doing. So I pay attention to this. If it's increasing, then I may switch to have a look. But if it's decreasing, I'll be super happy. Yeah. So, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. So what basically is happening is the bulls are trying to correct their field this week. Yeah, they are trying to field this week. Yeah? So price may actually see this. 98 is not enough for me. It's not, yeah, 98 pips is enough, but for US30, not enough risk for me, I would say. For US30, 98 pips is nothing. I count something from 100 pips, but yeah, I'm going to look for opportunity anyway. See this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. You know what I don't like about this? It's not giving me any opportunity to enter from here. I don't see any opportunity. Zero opportunity. I couldn't have trusted 1 minute to get into a buy here. I couldn't have. I mean, it's not crazy, right? I need higher time frame to close above here. Then I wait for it when it opens. I use 1 minute to see the retracement because when a candle opens, see this candle opened. This it first of all creates a retracement. It goes against the candle that closed previously to create a wick. If it's going to break above, then I'm going to use 1 minute to see it form something like this first. And then when it breaks below, I follow it down. Or if it's going to go above, I just want to see something. If I use this to confirm a closure above, then I'm going to come down to 5 minutes or 1 minute to look out for entry, my entry setup in 1 minute. Then go in. For instance, let me break this down now a little bit. If this candle closes above here, like closes, maybe here above this previous week, yeah. So I'm going to switch to 1 minute whenever the next candle opens. So I expect price to at least move down a little bit before breaking the high of this closure here, right? So I expect it to move down here and then turn. So when it's moving down in 30 minutes, that's when I got 1 minute to see some sort of entry because 1 minute is going to be two straight candles and then the next candle is going to close bullish and then the break of that bullish candle I'm going to enter and get into this trade. That is the best way to look at these things and not like super excited about these moves because I know they all melt down at eventually. They don't mean anything. They eventually melt down. Sorry guys, I gotta take this call. Okay, I'm not sure what God is trying to do here. Honestly, I'm not sure what he's trying to do here anymore. I don't understand what's happening. If you're in this trade, honestly, you may want to close because and I'm not sure what is. This is 5 minutes and it's not strong enough for me to rely on. I can't rely on what I see, honestly. Why can't I? Because daily is pretty much very bullish. 4 hours is pretty much bullish. Why? Because this is bullish candle here. That this candle turned bullish after NFP news. This candle perhaps is trying to correct the move which it has done. It is a shift and could actually go above. I doubt it though, but just take precautions, please. I doubt that move upside, but I don't think anything good is gonna like anything substantial is gonna happen after NFP anyway. I don't understand what I don't understand is why this nice pre 15 minutes close without wick. It's driving me crazy right now. Nice beautiful 15 minutes like this after waiting for it closed without wick. Candles without wick, I don't like them too much because they waste my time. They simply waste my time for nothing. Anyway, the trend is moving, is going through pretty much. I've not seen a trend breaking here, right? Because right here, all I see is low, lower low, lower low, and lower low. And on the other hand, high, lower high. Of course, I can't count this, but they are still lower highs, lower high, lower high. All I see here, lower high, right? So I'm expecting this to keep on wasting our time and wasting our time and wasting our time until it is TP. I wanted it to like be a very simple and holistic and issue free candle like this. Zap, zap. Oh, it's doing something else. Now it wants to show us how to take steps. So basically, it's telling us, hey, traders, put your first leg here, second leg here, third leg here, fourth leg here, fifth leg here, sixth leg here. Yalla, you've reached your destination. I'm not sure if you guys get that point. I'm gonna assume that I'm clear. So, what do you think? Yeah, I'm paying attention to US30 not because I want to waste my time or something, but I have a feeling a very nice opportunity is going to come out of US30. Excuse me. That's why you see me. I left gold. This trade is already triggered, so there's no need of wasting, the entire day here, right? What the hell is our entry? Holy chicken! Holy chicken! Where the hell? What? Where did we get in again? We got in. Yeah. Yeah. I remember. I remember, guys. We got in here. Eh? We got in here with the. Yeah. Was it here, guys? I've forgotten, man. I've forgotten completely. But I remember we got in here. Yeah. Oh, I shared the signal on the group. Yeah. Beautiful. Yes, the entry is right. Yeah, correct. The entry is quite right. We got in there and TP stop loss is above here. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's right. And TP was to be somewhere here. Yeah, beautiful. Don't get too excited, guys, because don't forget what I said. We are now in a ladder climbing process. Price is trying to teach us how to climb the ladder. You know what I mean? Holy chicken. You know, guys, forgive me. This would have been the entry for this. I wanted to put it, but I got distracted by good. So this is the way it is, unfortunately. Uh, I couldn't get in early, but you see what I told you guys. US30, I'm paying attention to it because I have a feeling something holistic is going to happen there, and it's happening already. So this setup, you want to see this setup? You want me to show you this setup? I'm going to show you this setup. This setup is everywhere on my trade. Like I love it so much whenever I see it. Just calm down. Don't ask me to hurry. This is a similar setup. If you don't believe me, leave it alone. That's a similar setup. If you don't believe me, leave it alone. Yeah, this is a similar setup. See, where price attempts to go high, it breaks and closes bullish but with some sort of what's it called, weak exhaustion, a little bit of weak exhaustion, then create something in the opposite direction, and the break of this is my entry. As you can see here, coming here, creating this weak exhaustion, it creates something opposite, that closes in opposite direction. The break of that is giving me something very, yummy. So yummy. See this? This would have been another perfect example, but this week here killed everything. So if I had, I'm grateful that I didn't get in here. I didn't see this trade on time. I started following this from this candle, I guess. So if I had gotten in here, I would have lost the position because my stop loss is gonna be here. This news happened here. It would have killed my entire day. And if this happens to me, I live online. And if this had happened to me, I would have lost this money and I wouldn't have given this to the second chance. See this? See? Trying to go up, suddenly closed in the opposite direction and fire. You have it. Yeah. Gold must have hit TP by now. You can see 18%. What do you think about 18%? Still not hitting TP? I'm gonna smack your daily ass, man. Go there, go hit the TP. You chicken burrito. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Go hit TP. Both of you, 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 both of you. Go hit the TP. Go hit the TP. Go hit the TP. Oh my god, 30 October? Are you kidding me right now? You mean I. Oh. Okay, I named this thing actually 30th of October. It's crazy, right? It should have been 3rd of November. Sorry, guys, I'm just looking at this now. Unfortunately, I'm a guy that's more straightforward to business. I pay attention to details actually, but am I actually trying to sell myself right now? Am I actually trying to sell myself right now? No need. It's okay to not to like me a lot, but it's okay. Let me see. Something is wrong. Yes. So my network, I guess, is having some issues. So, telling minutes closure looks pretty fine to me. Honestly, it looks pretty fine to me. The break of this low, we see a very, very steep move. A very nice move with volume. Trust me, this is US30. I know the way it moves. I've been trading this pair for a long time, so I know. Guys, you remember what I told you? This is basically what's going to keep happening until we hit our TP. From here, it's moving down. Keeps see, asking you to be patient is a process. Then this move, you know. So I'm gonna leave this so you guys see how it's gonna just follow a pattern. It's gonna follow this pattern until it hits TP. That is, if it's ever gonna hit TP. Okay, I think my TP hit already. Wait, my first TP, TP first trade must have hit TP already, right? Let's see. Yeah, my TP got hit already. You remember what I told you guys? I'm not gonna wait for this zone at all. I'm also not gonna wait for this as well. What I'm gonna do is to close here. Yeah. If you remember, I told you guys how this starting. I'm just gonna close above here before slightly before this zone. Then second will be here. This noise definitely will impact the move here. So that's why I know I will close here, and then close here finally. So as long as I'm concerned, as long as I'm concerned, I've achieved my aim today. So whatever happens, I don't think I care. You see, this came up, came down, and holistically came to this level. See, it could exceed it, but just I'm just showing you guys something. It just because when you look at a pattern, you just know how your game is gonna go for the day. It doesn't want to go straight to the point. It just wants to waste our time. And this shitty thing is coming up. But guess what? I don't give a chicken wing about it because the moment I get the closure below here, I mean, this low is broken, not really a closure because this candle closed where this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, 10. This candle, the 11th candle, closed where these other 10 candles couldn't close. The 10 candles that tested this same zone. This is a zone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 candles tested here without closing, but this candle tested the same zone and closed below that zone. What do you think is going to happen, guys? Christmas is going to happen. Simple. Xmas, chicken, turkey, it's going to happen here right now. After Christmas happening, what happens next is this Thanksgiving with turkey. So you better get ready for all the event. Make sure you don't miss anyone. Not sure why you're feeling so coffee. Like not coffee in the cafeteria. I mean coffee like that's what I'm feeling now. I'm in see this closing below. Now I'm gonna draw your attention to something very important. Be careful with trades like this. Yeah, this closed here. This closed here. Yeah. So this, if you go to 1 minute, is consolidation. If you go to 1 minute, you're going to see this is consolidation happening here. See? So if this consolidation breaks out, that is range. If the range breaks out above here, trust me, you've lost the trade. If it breaks below, which is doing now, it's Christmas. My colleagues, they add positions places like this, they load up here, taking more risk by placing SL in the same place. But me, I prefer to load up and put SL here, and most of the times I lose. That is why I don't add trades anymore while I'm in trade. I just leave it alone. So I hope okay, gold is doing quite well. I wish whoever is taking this trade with me, added, some sort of level of stops, where he says one stop here, one stop. I used magic key by the way to set the stop. Okay. If you have magic key, I don't feel like putting on my camera, but I'll show you guys in the camera. But let's check magic keys, okay? So go get this package. It's beautiful. You use it to set anything you want. Like gives you freedom to trade, you know, the way you want. Simply open trade and hit excuse me, excuse me. Open the trade and hit partial TP and add your TP levels, the selected levels which you want the price, some percentage to close. So if you want up to 20 TPs in one trade, it's going to be available for you. All you need to do, hit the button how many times you would like and drag the line. Each time you hit it, additional line comes. So drag the lines to the level where you want to close your trades. That's why you see me. If you follow me a lot, you're going to see I have partial TP1, TP2, TP3. So I usually set some, okay, 50% close at TP1. Then out of the remaining trade, 50% please close at TP2. Out of the remaining lots, then the 100% close at TP3. So that's how I set my trades. Fortunately, I'm not sure why. Perhaps my network is poor today. Let's see. Not sure, but my network is absolutely fine. I'm not sure why it's delaying to open. Yeah, I'm only not happy about US30. Honestly, I'm not happy about US30. I need this to excuse me to continue moving down, but it's going to where I don't know. So if this shitty thing is actually trying to go fail this week. It's trying to, this level is trying to fail this week, perhaps, maybe. I'm not sure. Don't take tension. Avoid unnecessary tension, my dear friends. What my ask now is that price will come down, yeah. So see what I keep telling you guys. Not keep telling what I told you guys initially. My friends, whenever they see this setup, they usually add positions, yeah, and put their stop loss the same as the same stop loss with entry. But myself, if I do it, I normally lose, right? So why should I be doing it? Because I won't have the mind to put the position here and put all the stop loss all the way here. It means I'm risking like 2 to 3 times of my, of what I should risk. Right? I shouldn't have done that. So if I had done it now, if I should take a position here, what I'm gonna do is to put my stop loss above here, and now it's gone. It's gone technically. But my guys, if they put it, they will have the mind to leave it. I don't have that kind of mind. I just want to come, take some chicken, and go cook. I don't like to come and farm chicken. No, I just come, take ready-made chicken, and go cook. What's the sense of farming chicken when the chicken is available every day, free of charge? I don't have to farm it, right? I just need to grab it, catch it, and go cook. This becomes an issue for me. Why? If this forms another wing here and breaks above, then we're gonna have an issue because it must go and retest this area. Well, we better hope it doesn't happen. Let's better hope it doesn't happen. Okay, I'm becoming a little bit happier now because both of them are going in good direction. And this this price bar closed without wick, which troubles me a little bit. So basically, what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. If it closes below, somewhere here, where this one, two, three, four, five candles couldn't close, then what I'm gonna do is to open another trade here and put stop loss here and have it go down. Yeah, I'm willing to risk it this time. Why? Because I see potential. I have this kind. Let me show you this kind of setup. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. Sorry if I'm doing this a lot. I'm not doing that intentionally. Okay. Let me look for similar position and show you guys. I just want to anything I see happening. I just want to show you guys to have a look and see this. I just want to give you guys. Let me leave this. Let me give you guys typical example of what I mean. See, I was in this trade, yeah, and this happened. I got okay. This is a better condition, but if I were to do, I mean, this is not depicting what I wanted to depict. Let me just give you guys. Yes, yeah, this one is typical breakout. Breakout. No, 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 no. Excuse me. Yeah. So see what's happened here. Breakout, retest, other breakout. Yeah. So what I'm expecting here is something similar. See this breakout, retest, and the breakout. Then I take position. Yeah, I got in here a little bit late because I saw it a little bit late. But I guess I can't remember what actually happened here. But I know. Okay, I was waiting for a break of this week. Yeah, I've gotten in here, but I was like, why get in here when this and this low is actually at the same area? That I better wait for the break of this low. So, in the moment this guy came below, I just got in and yalla, see that very very profitable. Yeah. So let's have a peep. See, so if this this candle should close here, below here, don't mean above here, below this green line. If it should close below this green line, I'm going to add a position here. But unfortunately, I don't think it is going to do that because I have few seconds to go. So my condition is not met. I'm not interested. As long as I'm concerned, this could be another plot to seize our take profit by pushing up to break above here. Had it been this candle closed below this green line, honestly, I would have added one position here. Gold is still dancing and magic key is nowhere to be found. I'm just going to check Google, please, if you don't mind. I'm typing Google when Google is here with me. Forgive me. That's when I cough, I forget things. Eh? All right, so this is magic key, guys. This is magic key, just in case you've never seen it before. This is magic key, okay? This is magic key. So if you can get this, trust me, you'll be super fine. You can use this with this. You can be you can choose any trading style any trading style you like. Any trading style is gonna be suitable for you with this. Yeah. I'm not sure. I think Magic Key server is having some slight issue. So this is it. This is all I wanted to show you. This is Magic Keys. Okay, get it, and you're not gonna regret it. Trust me. So this is partial TP. Hit partial TP, and some lines will come and use it. Just drag the lines and set some percentages of your trade to close at those levels. Yeah. Excuse me. So that's it. We're still having some lower low. This pattern has not broken. The moment I'm going to call a risk here for this trade is the moment this pattern is broken. This pattern, as long as I'm concerned, is not broken. We're still recording higher, lower highs everywhere. The moment it creates a higher high that is higher than this previous high, that's when there's going to be a risk. Okay, so let's keep our fingers crossed and of course hope for the best. But again, this is 1 minute. So 1 minute is not going to tell us everything happening in the market, right? That's why it's risk to trade that thing called 1 minute. When I looked now, I'm seeing something else in 15 minutes. Let's look at 15 minutes. See 15 minutes. This is a typical entry right here. You know, typical entry. This is a typical entry for buy. So I'm gonna call this guy. I'm not sure if this is the right thing to do, but yeah, I think I have hit my TP once. So what's the need? I need to 1 moment. Let me just you know let me just close out. I need to close out of this trade. I'm no more interested. Yeah, so that's it. So what I'm gonna do now? Fortunately, guys, I have to do it. There's nothing. You tell me that I don't know. Don't want to hear anything anybody says now. Yeah, I know there's weak here. I know, but I just want to try something new. I trust the process, so I just follow the process to see where the process takes me. Yeah, this TP is tentative. I would say is temporary because the moment price uh, triggers our entry, when I gets to this point, I'm just gonna move I'm just gonna clear the risk. Remove the risk completely. Let's just move my uh, asset to break even. Okay, the moment it triggers this it crosses this 1995.50. Yeah, I'm just gonna just that's entry, and the moment price gets to 999.0906, I'm just gonna clear my risk. So this I made my gain here. I'm not interested in any other thing happening here right now. But if I see something out of the ordinary, I'm just gonna take another trade, hoping for buys. Right now, I'm not waiting for sales anymore. Why the hell am I not waiting for sales? Because look at this setup, guys. Yeah, this is forming higher lows. Yeah, forming higher lows, right? So after this came down, this came up, this came down. I mean, I'm no longer interested in whatever is going to happen here because I see a pattern. This is this becomes the new support. Yeah, this is the new support here. That's what I see. That's the pattern I see. So that 15 minutes is going to give me confirmation that this is my new support here. And when I have support like this, I expect price to move all the way to the problem area. Either this area, if I'm lucky enough, not lucky enough, if price is with enough volatility, with enough volume, it's gonna hit the above here as well. So I'm not keen. I'm not opening this position with full risk. I'm just risking something just to make sure that I follow the process. So at this moment, this is no longer relevant. This is no longer relevant, and this I would say this has changed. The new support is this. Until this support is broken, I don't think I have anything to do with sales anymore, guys. This is the way to trade, honestly. If your plan is not working, look at the market properly and see what is making it not to work. See, our darling here is apologizing, saying, "Hello, traders. I'm sorry for attempting to maneuver you, trick you guys into quitting the trade and going into buys. So right now, I think I surrender. You guys can now sell. If price closes anywhere, again, let's do just one very childish analysis here. It could be childish, but super, super effective for me. This couldn't close here. See this level? This couldn't close here. Two, three. We secure the closure. Yeah, no problem. Four, five, six, seven. So seven candles couldn't close here. The one that closed, the next candle broke and closed above, telling us this is a no-go area. Eh? So seven candles couldn't close. If this candle closes where these other candles couldn't close, it means the break of this candle is going to come with big force. If you want to see how I see it, this is how I see it. Okay, it's very childish, but it's super effective for me. That's how I talk to myself if I'm gonna trade. Okay, so let's see if it closes below. It's a very big advantage, honestly. Okay, so it's okay for a candle to close to close without wick. Okay, so most important thing is that it closed below this green line. Okay, so we gotta wait now. One thing you should observe, if you remember when I said something, a candle when it closes, it closes, yeah, weak or no weak. First of all, there is a very high tendency for price to first of all go against the retrace OB to do some sort of correction, I would say. But after that, now I would say I would try something now. Yeah. So this is gonna be. I want to add one more position here. Yeah. But that is the break of this low. I'm going to add a position, and this stop loss I'm going to adjust whenever this candle reverses. Whenever I see reversal, then I'm going to add a stop loss. Most likely for now, it's going to be above here. So if reversal happens for this candle, then I'm going to adjust my stop loss accordingly. Okay, and of course, take profit remains this at price level 33,843. Yeah, that's 75. And see what I told you guys about gold. Gold is moving up. I've seen this set up a lot of times, so I know when I see it. Yeah, I know when I see it. What I don't want to do is to enter Okay, I demonstrated something before. This candle and this candle, their highs are almost at the same point. So, what is the need for me to enter above this high when after a couple of pips I meet another high, right? So, it makes sense if I set my entry above this second high, giving it some room to misbehave so that once it crosses, I know that I'm in. I'm in means I'm completely in, yeah? So, I'm waiting for this hooligan to turn. I'm sorry if I'm using some curseful words. Okay, invalidated. I can't open this position anymore. Why? Because my criteria are not met. Yeah? Trade is about having some principles, having some set rules, making up my mind to, take decisions, face the hard truth if things go wrong, right? So I just did one now. I faced the hard truth. The moment I spotted that something was not okay with the trade I intended to take. Doesn't mean that it's still the sell is still invalid. Let's see how price reacts around here. So just FYI, I'm moving my stop loss little bit above this 5 minutes. Yeah, excuse me. Yeah. That's the only right thing to do. Trust me when I say the only right thing to do now is to move stop loss to 5 minutes above this candle that formed at 825. So, and I'm gonna put a price tag for anyone that is on this trade. The price is 34033.85. Let your stop loss be above that price so that you don't risk much. Okay, I don't want to move it to entry because most likely price may come up to this to retest this week, this low, this before support now resistance. This area price is going to come up to test this area. So I prefer to lose 23 pips. It's nothing. Yeah, risk it and be happy about it. Be happy for yourself. Okay. Let me quickly have a peep at. Oh my God, this guy is actually playing out on a low. He's actually playing out on a low. Oh, nice. Playing out on a low. But there's no volume, man. I hate lack of volume. I do. It's not. I'm not comfortable with lack of volume. We're talking about 62 pips here, huh? 65 pips, yeah? That's beautiful. That's beautiful. UK oil. UK oil is pretty much going insane. Just waiting for him to drop. Amazon at 138. Okay. Let's go back to what we are tracking. Sorry guys if I digressed. I love spreading my antenna wide on everything to catch anomalies. Okay, 30 minutes. All right. All right. See. All right, my dear. Push you. Yeah. You could actually, yeah, I think everything is okay, guys. This is a good sign. It's a good sign that volume is going to come in. Honestly, it's a good sign that volume is going to drop in. I love this. I love this setup. This 1 hour did this, but couldn't even close above here. Yeah, couldn't close above here. Don't sleep on this, guys. Don't sleep on it. Make sure you don't sleep on it. Price is gonna definitely see this area and subsequently this area. How do I know? I don't know. I have this convention that is. But if you follow me closely, you're gonna understand why I'm making these decisions. Yeah, they're a little bit, they're a little bit harsh, but yeah, if you follow me closely, go to my profile and see I have an, an inner circle, so only these people can get to know more of me. Yeah, go join my inner circle, please, if you have the space. It's not by force, so enjoy. Man, I just wish I could see, something that is trendy. This is still not. I'm not okay with this. This can reverse anytime. Yeah, it can mess up anytime. Had it been it closed above here, this can be closed above here. I would have just gotten in here to rip something out of it. Yeah, honestly, I woke up too late. I love my sleep a lot, guys. So he who sleeps saves to profit another day. Guys, write it down somewhere. He who sleeps lives to profit another day because Forex is open. Guess what? Guys, when I have nothing doing in the weekend, I even trade in the weekends. I trade the IQ options in the weekend. So if I feel I'm not okay today, just open IQ options tomorrow and do some color puts. So either way, guys. So that's why I decided to take my enough rest, regardless of anything that's happening in the market, because I am not in a hurry. 247 every single day of the week. There is something to trade. Yeah. So any day I'm built, I'm full of strength. I open anything available and look around. If I see opportunity, I grab it and get out. Yeah. So guys, rest means a lot. I'm just saying. Make sure you moved your stop loss just in case this pushes above. If it pushes above, we have an advantage, right? My advantage is I'm just going to end this train. Your advantage, on the other hand, is you're just going to take some rest. Okay, 25, 23 pips is nothing compared to losing more, right? So it makes sense. I'm seeing something else here. Yeah, let me have a look. Let me have a better look. Yeah, unless this guy is shitty. I don't see any. Since yeah, this is already filled. This body here, from here, let me see. From this 35 piece, it's filled already, right? And even this week is filled. Unless it's attempting to fill this week, yeah. I don't think so. I don't think so. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I have a feeling it's going for. Let's allow this 15 minutes to close first, then we can decide on what market is trying to do. It's about being patient. I mean, sometimes, obviously, apologies, I get impatient, but it's a virtue. Patience. Patience is a virtue. Yeah, it's a virtue I need to learn more of. Last week Friday, I made some money that, like super, super good amount of money. So, and this week, I'm yet to see close to that amount of money. But every week is not meant to be the same, right? Every day is not meant to play out the same. Likewise, every week. So, I'm not in a hurry. Okay, I hope you dancing to my tune, guys. Woo! I wish I could turn on my camera. You can see how I'm enjoying this dance. I hope my camera is not on, by the way. I gotta check, man. Because I'm doing a lot of uncommon things here, so I wouldn't like anyone to see me doing uncommon things. Guys, please go ahead and like my stream because the more you like it, the more people get to discover me. Okay, like the stream and possibly subscribe to my channels. Okay. So I've this 15 minutes is actually crazy, man. I don't know. Just keep dancing. Man, do something. If you want to go down, you freaking go down. But it's fine. If you close this, I love this anyway. I love this setup. If you close this bearish and if the low is broken, 100% I'm going to add another trade. I mean, it's not negotiable after all. It's not. I mean, I'm not going to sleep on it. If it goes, it goes, right? Because eventually somebody's going to lose money for someone to gain, right? If it goes, it goes. You gotta take the risk. You gotta take the call on time instead of, oh, I should have. I saw this on time. Oh, why didn't I? It's useless, right? It doesn't make any sense. Yeah. See. Something's happening there, guys. 3 minutes to the close of the candle is going haywire. It's going crazy. See why you should have your stop loss at this level. If you don't, man, I didn't send you to do that. See that? Wait for confirmations, man. Confirmations are very, very necessary. Guess what? This guy may not go down after all. May not go down. So how many pips did we initially make? 81 pip. 81 pip is not enough. Is from 100 pips. I love making from 100 pips down. Yeah, it won't be. Yeah, still valuable. Still pretty much valuable. But let's see. Let's just be patient. You never can tell what's going to happen in the next 2 3 minutes. Yeah. So this 15 minutes has closed in a direction that we're not comfortable with. So what I'm gonna do, if I were you, honestly, I like being very holistic to my in my approach. So move your stop loss please down. Move it all the way down to this because if price breaks above this level, something is not right. Okay. If you remember initially, I told you guys I said that price is definitely coming to retest this particular support turn resistance. Yeah. So after retesting this level, then it could come down. So the break of this high, I'm not comfortable with it. But if you want, in fact, you know what? Just be comfortable to lose $23, 23 pips. Eh? Be comfortable to lose 23 pips is fine. Because if this should swipe down, my God, you're gonna be in love. Not just with US30, you're gonna be in love with me. Kidding. Let's see. I'm not sure why I couldn't close secure like a complete TP closure today. I'm not sure why, honestly. Look at this. So I have been here. Let's see. Let's see. This thing is wasting my time, honestly. If you wanna hit TP, hit TP. If you wanna hit stop loss, freaking hit it and stop wasting my time, man. I hate time wasting. Why am I saying this? You know it already, right? That's why I don't. Okay, let's see. Again, if magic is okay, let's talk about something that is more yielding. This chicken, holy, holy, I like what I see. But question for you: are you gonna close below? I'm not waiting for 15 minutes. 30 minutes closer is what I'm waiting for. Those things doesn't. They just make a lot of noise and nothing else. Nothing. Okay. Okay. You know, had it been there is no like a lot of noise here, this is a perfect entry for buys. Well, there's a lot of noise here. I don't want to risk it. It's too risky. Eh? Looking at a lot of rejections around here is not a healthy buy. For this to be a healthy buy, I would like to secure a closure somewhere around here. Then I can think of buying. But right now, it's bullshit buy. Trust me. Looking for liquidity grab. Pathetic liquidity grabber. I would say just be patient. Be patient. Trust the process. I would say trust the process. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh, I'm closing this. I don't have time for this anymore. If it works out, good luck with it. Closed. It's closed already. Yalla. Go. You go where you wanna go. Let's see. This is closed. Just FYI, guys. It's closed. Okay. So you see what I'm saying? There's a lot of rejection here. Once I secure closure somewhere around here, Then we can go for what I'm not simply this simply means that this week here wants to get filled. This week here wants to get filled, and I'm not in that business right now. I don't have that time. So definitely, it's better to call it a day for me. For myself, I'm done for today. At least the profit I made from this move that happened here. If you remember this sell here, the profit I made from it is gone. I lost it here, so it's fine. Basically, at a break even, yeah, which is absolutely okay with me. All right, everyone, you take care. I'm gonna see you guys on Monday. I'm gonna try as much as possible to stream every day. But if it doesn't work out, then it's not my fault. Okay. Bye bye, everyone. Take care.